Okay, I'm very excited about this.
Yes, so this is a product for anyone who wants to correct any dental imperfections. It's all done from the comfort of your home using this kit right here. No dental visits, no unsightly metal braces, just this kit and a dental plan from a certified dentist. And luckily for you guys and for us,
Yes.
we have Byte's Chief Cosmetic Officer here to talk us through the Byte process and the partnership. So come on out, Dr. Marashi.
Hello!
Hi, FabFitFun.
Thank you so much for
much.
being here.
Thank you for having me today. Is daylight savings messing you up at all?
100%.
I've been waiting here since yesterday.
Oh my gosh, shoot, we should
It
have
wasn't
sent
an
email.
hour early, you got here a day early.
A day early, yeah,
Yes.
but you know, better early.
Yeah.
Better, yes, exactly. Better early than
We're
late.
so happy
always.
to have you.
So, Dr. Marashi, you've spent over 20 years perfecting the health and beauty of your patient smile. So, what first drew you to the dental industry, and then what made you create Byte?
Getting into dentistry, an obsession with beautiful smiles.
Okay.
Ah.
Period.
It's amazing. I love that.
That's what I'm here to do. Okay, but Byte, think about this for a moment. To get a beautiful smile, number one, dentistry is expensive, no matter
Yes.
how you slice it and dice it.
Absolutely.
And number two, not everyone can get to the dentist, especially in today's marketplace.
Yeah.
People have side hustles, people are working longer hours.
Yep.
So I've thought about this long and hard. There's only one of me. So what could be done to help people get quality dental treatment and access to care as well as affordability all at the same time? And that's how Byte came about.
I mean, that's brilliant because at-home aligners have been gaining a lot of popularity lately.
Absolutely.
So I want to know, I mean, we already know.
Yes.
And I'm so excited about it, but please tell everyone what makes Byte stand out from all of the others in the market.
Okay, so there are three things that you need to know. The first is that Byte is the fastest. And what that means is that we can finish most people's treatment in 3 months.
Which is insane.
That's
Yeah.
like a very rapid turnaround time, which is awesome.
Yeah, it's less than half the time for conventional orthodontic treatment, and most of the time it's even less than that.
Well, and especially if you're not having to go in, that saves a whole bunch of time right there.
Yeah.
You know, it's just done from home.
That's a huge part of it. Now, the second thing that people need to know is smile science. This is our differentiator. Smile science is the blending of the art and the science of dentistry, where we use proprietary technology, and we'll take your teeth and we'll move them to the position that's going to look the most beautiful for your facial features. So it's a truly customized smile.
It's like tailored
Right.
just for you.
It's not just about straightening them, it's truly about
Exactly.
customizing them to your face.
So we can maximize your smile and your overall beauty.
I love that. I mean, I think that's important for this day and age. I feel like a smile is something that makes you feel so much more confident.
Smile is all about confidence, and you can choose when and where and how you want to use it.
Absolutely.
And having it is so important.
Absolutely, definitely.
Totally agreed.
Yeah.
I mean, you lead oftentimes when you meet someone for the first time with your smile.
Yes.
And the
Absolutely.
more confident you feel with that, I think that translates into everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
So the third differentiator for Byte is pricing, because not only is this cost effective, but we also have financing available where people can make low monthly payments. So when you tack in affordability, when you tack in access to care, and the beautiful results that we get, this is what makes Byte a winner.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sold already. So can
We're
you,
both over here waiting for
We're
our-
like gonna take it. You guys know we will. I know. I'm nervous already. I gotta beat her out. Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about the Byte process from start to finish? It seems like it's pretty easy, no?
Yes. So what happens is from the moment you sign up, you'll receive an impression kit in the mail. And then with the impression kit, you'll take molds of your teeth and they go back to our Byte lab. At that time, it gets 3D scanned and we'll email you back what your result is going to be. So you're going to know right out of the gate, first, are you a candidate for this? And if you are, you'll get to see what it's actually going to look like. At that point in time, then we'll mail you all your aligners. So now you have all the aligners right up front, so you're not worried about going back and forth from the dental office, and you know exactly where you're supposed to be.
And you can try it risk-free.
You
can't
can try it risk-free. So when you get the impression kit, and if you're not a candidate, or you don't like the results that we're going to get for you, we'll refund you for the impression kit. So you have no lose at all.
Which I mean,
That's a
thinking
game
about
changer.
going into something and thinking of it as an investment, and knowing that if it's not right for you, There is
are
no
out of-
loss.
Yeah, that is, it changes it, I think.
Absolutely. I think it's a huge game changer for people.
It's been a huge opportunity for Byte clients to be able to have this because it's given them the confidence to move forward knowing that whichever way it goes, they're going to be taken care of.
Right. I mean, if you're a candidate, you know it is going to work for you.
Exactly.
And I feel like that's nice that you're very transparent. You know, it makes you feel good about a company, like supporting a brand that is super
It's
transparent
thinking about,
with you.
I'm thinking about the consumer. I love it.
Another very cool thing is the Byte. So this is exclusive technology. So this helps cut the treatment in half the time.
So this is how you do this. So
This is how you do it.
This is our secret weapon right here. Watch out.
What does it do?
Byte.
Flash a smile at me.
Okay, watch this, everybody. So I'm going to turn the power on. You're going to see this blue light go. Now, go ahead and feel this. Gentle sonic
Very
vibrations.
gentle.
Very gentle.
And you put the Byte between your teeth while you're wearing the aligners.
Okay.
5 minutes a day. And the sonic vibration is what allows for the tooth movement to happen at an accelerated rate, and it also improves the accuracy. So Byte has been around for a while, and this is what people need to know. You could get a Byte from an orthodontist office. You'll probably spend over $1,000 for it. But
crazy.
Byte is the only direct-to-consumer company that has Byte. So we're able to provide this included in the entire Byte treatment.
Incredible.
And so this is the actual piece of technology that
is
speeds up
moving.
the process.
Exactly.
Okay.
And you only have to use this for 5 minutes a day.
5 minutes a day.
I think we all have, whether we're sitting down or
Yeah, that
know,
you can
just
do that when you're working at the computer even.
5 minutes.
You can
It's
do
so
it while
easy.
you're shopping on FabFitFun.
Yes, while you're shopping for add-ons. I like the way he thinks.
I see you, Dr. Marashi.
That was great.
All right, so we have some great before and after photos of Byte customers that I would love to take a look at. So Dr. Marashi, can you talk us through what we're seeing regarding their teeth here?
This is one of my favorite cases. So what we're seeing is a very cheerful face, but we have a gap between the front teeth. And for many people, the gap between the front teeth, if it's something that bothers them, they think that they have to get metal braces to do it. Byte was a perfect treatment plan for her. And as you can see, the space is closed, the teeth look straighter and whiter, and she has more of a beautiful smile
They look
now.
gorgeous.
Yep. We had a question from member Susan asking if it helps with teeth gapping. So this is a perfect
Absolutely.
example of that.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at the next photo.
This
Wow,
is a gorgeous
this is
transformation.
epic.
Okay, this is Instagram model quality right here. We're really proud of this because not only his top teeth and bottom teeth became more straight and we closed the gap, but look at the color of his teeth, how white they are now.
They're much
Now,
whiter.
This is perfect. We have a question from
Yes.
Nancy Torres saying, will this also whiten? So take it away.
Nancy, I love this question. Thank you,
Nancy,
Nancy.
you're ahead of the game.
Okay, here it is. When you wear your Byte aligners, we have Byte. And Byte is a gel that you put into your aligner at the same time. And what happens with Byte is it'll whiten your teeth. So think about this. You got regular braces, and 2 years later, then the dentist says you can whiten your teeth. On day one that you're using your Byte aligners, you can start using Byte, and within a matter of days, you actually have a whiter, brighter smile to show for it. It's amazing.
You guys really thought
You
of
thought,
everything.
you truly thought of everything.
You're like, let's just do it all at once and do it in 3 months. I like that.
Incredible.
It's efficiency, it's technology, and it's artistry all at the same time.
Yes, I love that you said it's like a mixture of art and science.
It really is. And we have one last photo to take a look at to demonstrate that.
This is a great case because this is so many people out there who have the 1 or 2 crooked teeth on the bottom.
Yup, that's me.
The teeth
Hello.
moved, they shifted, they didn't have their bottom retainer, and yes, Byte is perfect for you. We can actually get them straightened back out. You don't even have to do your top teeth with it some of the times. You can just limit the treatment to the bottom if necessary. We get them straightened out, and people like the way that it looks a lot better.
I think that's great that you can really also customize. If you don't need to do the top, you can just deal with the bottom teeth and straighten those.
Yeah,
Natalie and I both don't have our bottom retainers.
Okay.
And we both have a little
We both have
tooth
one
that's
tooth.
jutting out a bit.
So you may be candidates. I'm going to hide Byte in my pocket.
Shoot, that was the one I was going to take.
But each treatment plan is completely customized for the individual. And that's what's so beautiful about this.
Yes, and okay, so a big part of our job at FabFitFun involves testing out products. I think it's Natalie and my favorite thing about working here.
Maybe a little bit.
So we've recruited 2 FabFitFun employees to use the Byte aligner system, and they're going to document their entire journey. We will definitely share it with you.
Yes.
We actually have one of them here with us today, so let's head over to meet her.
Let's take a little walk. Hi, beauty.
Hello, Lorianne.
All right, so she greets everyone at FabFitFun with her adorable smile. This is our front desk darling, Lorianne.
Lorianne.
Hi everyone.
Hello. Thank you so much for being with us.
Excited to be here.
Thanks for letting me in the building today.
Yeah, so first, Brian Velvet says, how much I want this. This is incredible. We're going to talk about exactly how you find this offer in a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll explain for our girl Ellen Kroon what is a dashboard offer. We will get there.
Yes,
I
don't worry,
promise.
guys. We have it all
We've
laid
got
out
you
for
covered. So Lorianne, I want to know, what is it that you want to fix about your teeth?
Okay, so I have a slight overbite, and I actually have like 2 crooked teeth on the bottom. And
Yep.
I'm just
Welcome
like
to the club.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's just like 2 that I've always wanted to fix, but I never really got around to do it. So luckily for me, I work at FabFitFun, and I get to do like the free trials and stuff. So I'm really excited. Yeah.
Are we able to see it? Or can
Yeah,
we get
it's
a real,
down here.
Let's get
Okay.
in.
Yeah.
We're gonna get in real close here.
It's down here, and
Uh-huh.
then I have like a little overbite. You can see here. It's
Say-
super tiny.
Say ah!
Yeah, so I'm excited to get that done.
And so, Dr. Mashi, what makes Lorianne a great candidate for Byte?
Okay, first of all, Lorianne is not a great candidate. She's the perfect candidate for
The
Byte.
perfect
Amazing.
candidate.
The perfect candidate. And the reason why Lorianne is a perfect candidate is because she's already starting with what a lot of people would consider a good enough smile, something that has been well enough for long enough, and it hasn't really nudged her that last little bit to do something about it. Now something like Byte enters the equation. She says, hey, wait a second. This is easy for me to do, and I can correct the little things that kind of bugged me all the way around, and it's going to take something that was okay to absolutely fabulous. It's like having a good head of hair, but your bangs are out of place.
Right.
So we're going to style the hair back properly. She's going to look fabulous.
Amazing. All right, so we want to show everyone just how easy this system really is. So we had Lorianne shoot a video of herself using the impressions kit. So let's check it out. Lorianne, what exactly is happening here?
So first of all, I got this box and I literally felt like an influencer. I did the unboxings, but they gave me the putty. It's really easy. You just mix it in a few seconds and you put it in the impression trays. And you just stick it in your mouth for like 2 minutes, I believe, if I remembered. And that's pretty much it. It's super fast.
Easy.
It's super easy. Like, do it from your house. And yeah, it was so easy.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's all. It's all about the ease and the convenience.
The ease and the convenience is that you can do this yourself. It's doable. You send it right back. Even packaging and postage is not a hassle because we provide all of it for you.
Yes, so once you have your impressions made, you just put your impressions in this prepaid envelope and send it directly to Byte. So then you'll be notified if you're a candidate for the system, and if good news, if you're not, your impression kit fee will be totally waived.
Totally refunded.
Which is, we were talking about that earlier. I think it's a great selling point on why you'd want to
Brilliant.
try it out.
So for the sake of live programming, we had Lorianne take her impressions a few weeks ago, as you just saw in the video. She sent them in. She was approved.
The perfect candidate.
Yes.
Yeah.
And she has received her first set of aligners. So she's going to put them on right now. Will you tell us how they feel?
Yes.
This is the big moment, everyone. Here we go.
Drum roll, please.
Okay.
All right. Here we go.
This is top.
Okay, top one.
I think it's the bottom one. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, good.
Right? Oh my gosh.
That's your top one. Flip it over.
It is the top.
It is the top.
Does
Okay.
it tell you
Sorry, guys.
in the...
There you go.
There you
Oh,
go. Okay.
there you go. It clicks.
you literally, you can't
Yeah.
even
Oh, I
see
can't
it.
at all. Oh, wow.
Okay. Yeah.
There we go. Look.
Wow, you really cannot see it. Super
Yeah,
discreet.
They're actually really comfortable, and you can't really see them, I think, right?
No,
No, they look
I would not
gorgeous.
know at all, genuinely. Look at you. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
And okay, so it also these are all of her.
Like you
aligners.
mentioned,
These
you
are
get them
of
all
the
up
trays.
front.
Okay.
So she has the entire series, and the Byte app will show her for each tray what the position of the teeth are going to be. So Lorianne will actually be able to track the movement of the
Right.
teeth, and she'll be able to know that she's on schedule for completing her treatment on time.
And an app is so convenient. You always have your phone with you. I think it's a great way to like monitor what's going on, make sure you're staying
Yeah.
on top of things. So we have some very great news for all of our viewers today. We have an incredible dashboard offer just for you. So when you sign up for Byte using the offer code, you'll get $200 off your aligners. Amazing.
Huge.
That's
And
crazy.
$70 off your impression kit. So the link to the offer is in the description. and at the bottom of the screen.
Yes, and so we do have some confusion about what a dashboard offer is,
yes.
where it lives. So if you don't know where it lives, we've made it easy for you. We thought of everything. So you're gonna go to FabFitFun.com. You're gonna click at the top where it says offers. You'll click on exclusive offers, and there you're gonna see the Byte offer right there. Super easy. Because we had some confusion. Christina Golter says, I'm a select member and I'm having trouble finding Byte in the add-on. So this is not in the add-on sale. This is on the website in offers for all members right now.
Also, just to give you guys another place to find it, we'll be posting in our Instagram story today, so you can swipe up and it'll direct you straight there.
We do have some questions. So Cami Bell says, is Byte meant for kids as well? My 11-year-old son has a bit of an overbite.
No, 11-year-olds is too young because they're still baby teeth. So this is for people who have all of their adult teeth.
Got it. Teresa Murphy-Paul says, can this be used if you have tooth implants?
It depends the location of where the dental implant is, and that's something when you sign up, when our orthodontic team looks at it, we'd be able to answer that question.
And then again, you would get all of your money back if it wasn't right for you. We have a lot of reactions to the before and after photos. People commenting that they're curious and interested. Christina says this is genius.
Yes, we agree, Christina.
This is, I mean,
Thank
so
you,
amazing.
Christina.
I'm so excited to watch your journey,
so
Lorianne.
Yes, it'll be really fun because we'll be able to document the whole process with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for like more updates that way.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank
today,
you,
Lorianne.
Lorianne.
Thank you,
my
Lorianne.
Take your tray.
Take it and run. They're going to try to steal it.
Everyone is trying to see a lot more of her. Bye, lovely.
So excited.
Bye.
You're going to see a lot more of Lorianne and our other candidate, Hannah, on our social channels as we follow them on their teeth straightening journey.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, so Dr. Marashi, we'd love to end our show with a round of daily trivia. Will you please join us?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.